Imagine a real estate website in just 60 seconds. No coding, no tech stress, just pure automation. It sounds crazy, right? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI makes this possible. You can literally do everything. My name is Stacia Kennedy, and I help business owners and real estate professionals systematize and optimize their business using automations. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and because I'm going to drop some powerful automation strategies every week. So, if you're a real estate agent, investor, or marketer, you already know how important a strong online presence is. But let's be real, building a website can cost you a ton of money. It can be expensive, time consuming, and just frustrating until now. AI can actually do it all. And with AI, with Go High Level, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a stunning real estate website. I am just blown away because under a minute, I'm going to actually show you how a fully optimized website, a lead generation website, mobile friendly and ready to go. You don't need to know any coding. You literally just need to know where to click. And I'm going to show you how simple this is. Let me share with you my screen. Let me go ahead and show my screen here. Right here. So we're going to go into sites and we're going to create a new funnel over here and we're going to use funnel AI. You can literally within seconds have a real estate website. And if you're in a different industry and you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to put in the name of your business, top agents of Hawaii or whatever. I'm just making it up. And then you can put in the industry that you're in. There's so many different industries as you hear. I'm just going to scroll through real quick so you can see there's a lot of different industries in here. And we can type in real estate. If you're an inspector, industrial, real estate agency, agent, appraiser, attorney, consultant, school, real estate school, a surveyor, you can basically pick any of these here. I'm going to click real estate agency, click next. I'm looking for a funnel for my real estate company that's automatically there. And then you're going to pick your reason. What are you looking for? To generate more leads, to get more appointments, showcase your services, sell products and services. We want to get more leads. And continue the content. How should it be? Friendly? Should it be professional, inspiring, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic? Let's do humorous. I think I want to be funny today. And there is a little bit of a cost here with Go High Level, but we're going to try it out and we're going to click generate and we'll see how long this takes. So it literally will put in all the copy for you, design it, and within seconds here, I'm not even going to pause because it's only going to take a few seconds here to generate and add all the content to your page. I did this earlier and I was just amazed. So I'm trying a few different industry or different word here than the last time I did it over on TikTok. Check it out. Look at this. Maybe because I put Hawaii in there, it has a little bit of background there. That is so crazy. AI generated this whole thing. Look at this. This is cool. It's such a cool tool. What a game changer. AI automatically adds the reviews, the FAQs, possibly. You can change out all the copy, but like it's giving you a framework. No designer, no coding, instant results. This isn't this cool? This is a game changer. Of course, I'm in the editing mode, so let's click on preview and see the whole thing of what it looks like. Oh, dynamically moved. Look. Oh, that's so awesome. Imagine saving you hours of web design, thousands on developers, focusing on what really matters is getting your brand up there and so that you can have more time closing those deals. So try AI yourself. If you're ready to launch your website, I'll switch my screen here. If you're ready to launch your AI powered website and I've got something for you right here. You can set up your free trial and try it out yourself. click on the link in my description. Of course, it's my affiliate link. What do you get for using my link? Of course, you actually get my support. I actually have a weekly coaching call. You can ask me questions on how to change the colors on this new beautiful AI website, how you can implement automations and other AI tools to help you run your real estate business. All you have to do is click the link in the description, test it out. I actually have a 30-day trial now. You might have heard me say 14 in the past, but now I actually have a 30-day trial for my affiliates. Test it out yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Join over on our all of the other trainings that I have for the affiliates and bonuses and our weekly coaching call. So, would you trust AI to build your website? Comment below. Let's talk. Much love and aloha, of course. If you find this helpful, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss a thing, because I'm also going to be back with more real estate and system automations that you need and hacks that I love. And you just got to see it. You got to make sure to subscribe for them. All right. Thanks for watching. Much love and aloha. And we'll see you on the next video.